Is your foreground melting into your background? Is everything just too busy? As in with your level art, not your life. Believe me, I get it. Let's fix that. The foreground. Here's a picture from the real world. Notice how, as things get further away from the camera, the colors get less saturated, or in simple terms, more dull. Light scatters and bounces off particulate in the air, that sort of thing. More air equals more scatter. Here's the same thing in Horizon Zero Dawn. So pretty. You can use this idea to pop your foreground off your background. Here's some metal slug. Notice how everything in the background is desaturated. It looks washed out. The most important elements of the foreground are the most saturated. Broforce, same thing. Super washed out background. It is also using a consistent color palette, all blues. Child of Light. This has some really complex foregrounds, but you only need a teensy weensy bit of separation. Your eyes are amazing. Pat pat. Good eyes. The OG platforming plumber himself. Doing a game jam? Want a filthy dirty way to get this effect? Or just want to try it out? Make all of your art like you usually would. Then just throw some white boxes with low opacity to wash out all the colors in the background layers. Doing 3D? You can use distance fog to get the same effect. Subscribe.